This is the LeDuck by Outdoor Edge, a versatile fixed blade knife with an innovative sheath system for everyday carry. The drop point blade is ideal for all cutting applications, and the rubberized duck head handle offers a secure lock-on grip in all conditions. The LeDuck carries in a polymer sheath with removable clip that quickly attaches to a belt or molly system. The clip rotates 360 degrees, allowing the knife to be drawn instantly from any position. The included paracord converts LeDuck to a neck knife, allows for a variety of secure gripping options. The LeDuck is available with black or blaze orange handles. Be ready for any task at hand and make the cut with the LeDuck by Outdoor Edge.
This is the Schrade SCHA-11B Shizzle Assisted Opening Liner Lock Folding Knife. One of 4 models in the SCHA-11 series. A sleek, rugged, and versatile cutting tool, the SCHA-11B is a full-sized folding knife designed for everyday carry and everyday use. The stealth, black-coated, fine-edged clip point blade is forged from tough, edge-retaining AUS-8 stainless steel and comes razor-sharp and ready for your most challenging cutting tasks. Thumb or forefinger can rest comfortably on the spine side recurve for better leverage and control while cutting, and the partial clip point provides strength and stability at the knife tip. To protect and store the blade, first make sure the red dot on the handle safety is showing. Now slide the liner lock to the side and carefully close the blade into the handle. Lock the blade into the closed position by sliding the safety up, covering the red dot. Handsome, contoured black aluminum handle slabs with a raised geometric pattern increase durability, strength, and grip. Use the included wrench to position the rear pocket clip in any one of 3 slots for left or right-handed pocket carry, as well as tip-up or tip-down pocket carry. Remove the clip altogether for no snag everyday carry in a pocket, pouch, or pack. To don the blade, slide the safety switch down, exposing the red dot. Use the finger actuator or dual thumb studs to trigger the magic-assisted opening system and snap the blade into place. Stylish, stout, and suited for everyday use. Crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCHA-11B Shizzle Liner Lock Assisted Opening Folding Knife.